First, leadership isn't just theory, it's action. Here you will debate, problem solve, and collaborate with peers. You don't just learn leadership, you live it. It will become part of yourself.
Second, we will prepare you emotionally for your results. Whether it's surprise, disbelief, or even resistance, we will guide you from denial to curiosity. Unexpected insights are your opportunity for leadership growth.
Third, receive your results. They are completely private. No group sharing, no awkward comparisons. And hey, if you want to swap stories with a colleague over coffee, go for it. We are here to guide, never to expose.
Fourth, ever left a training thinking, yeah, okay, but what now? Not here. We will help you craft your personal leadership action plan that actually works. No vague goals, just clear, punchy steps tailored to your gaps and goals.
Fifth, we will analyze each leadership style against global standards. This will highlight where you align and where opportunity awaits. Knowing your own superpowers and your own blind spots is your path from pro to elite.
Sixth, for those meeting benchmarks, this is your acceleration phase. We will identify the leadership behaviors you have mastered and show you how to amplify them.
Seventh, missed a benchmark? Good. That's where the magic happens. We will bridge these gaps by practicing relevant leadership behaviors until you're thinking, wait, this actually works.
Eighth, you will go home with more than an action plan. You will have momentum and the confidence to use it. Starting tomorrow, you will know exactly how to lead intentionally and impactfully. Ready to make it happen?
Leadership isn't about titles. It's about what you do next. Get it now.